Keep it coming back, slow now. All right, bring the forklift around to bay 3.
Bill of lading confirms 2 tons of cocoa beans and the peanut shipment. Seal intact.
All right, where do you need me to drop the trailer?
Keep an eye on the flow rate over there.
Looks good.
Make sure the dust suppression is active.
Cocoa beans enter their own cleaning department. Vibrating screens remove unwanted materials. Powerful air systems clean every bean. Automated sorting systems scan the peanuts. Cameras inspect size and quality at high speed. Defective peanuts are removed automatically.
Automation has dramatically balsamed our efficiency here.
And the quality standards remain exceptionally strict.
The heating profile looks good, right on schedule.
Agreed. The consistency is perfect. We can maintain this flow rate.
Fresh caramel flows through stainless steel channels. Pumps transport it toward forming equipment. The caramel shines beneath factory lights.
Nougat ingredients enter massive mixing machines. Sugar syrup, proteins, and flavorings combine.
We need to ensure the viscosity remains stable for the cutting phase.
Agreed. The current batch looks excellent.
Efficiency remains high and the layers are stable.
Preparing the cutting sequence now. Hundreds of bars are produced every minute. Female workers inspect dimensions carefully. Uniformity remains essential.
The coating is perfect on this batch. Yes, they look amazing.
Inspection systems scan every candy bar. Cameras check shape, coating, and quality. Defective products are removed automatically.
Quality remains the highest priority. Science supports manufacturing excellence. Precision protects the brand. Our standards are uncompromising.
Confirm the next wave of trucks for the Kyushu region. Ensure the inventory update goes live before they arrive.
Day and night, our shipments travel nationwide, bringing the rich taste of our chocolate directly to you.